What if I told you your next gaming console isn't a PlayStation or an Xbox? It's actually a tiny, $99 box made by Apple. Seriously, Sony and Microsoft need to wake up right now. Huge leaks just dropped for the 2026 Apple TV, and it is going to absolutely crush the living room market. Let's look at the hard numbers. The old 2022 model was fine. It had the A15 chip and 4 GB of RAM for $129. But this new 2026 version is a totally different beast. Apple is throwing in the insane A17 Pro chip and doubling the RAM to 8 GB. Why? So you can run massive AAA games with real hardware ray tracing straight to your TV. No 500 console needed. Add in the new blazing fast Wi-Fi 7 chip, and it is officially game over for Roku and Amazon Fire Sticks. They simply cannot compete. Best of all, Apple is actually dropping the price to under $100. But do not click away, because wait until you hear about the crazy new smart feature coming to this thing. It is going to completely change how you watch movies. Let's talk about the biggest upgrade first. Gaming. You probably think the Apple TV is just a Netflix machine. Not anymore. That A17 Pro chip is the exact same brain powering the iPhone 15 Pro. That means the lighting, water, and shadows in your games will look completely real. You can play heavy, massive games like Resident Evil and Death Stranding right on your big screen. You do not need to buy a bulky console to get great graphics. Just grab a PlayStation or Xbox controller you already own, connect it with Bluetooth, and start playing. Plus, jumping up to 8 GB of RAM means your games will load in a flash. Hit that like button right now if you are sick and tired of staring at long loading screens. Now, let's look at the proof from the top tech experts. McRumors confirmed that the next Apple TV gets a new chip for Apple Intelligence and an upgraded Wi-Fi system. Geeky Gadgets reported it will have 8 GB of RAM to handle heavy AI tasks and ray tracing. Pocket Lint stated this chip will let the box run AAA console games natively without needing cloud streaming. Over on X, journalist Mark Gurman posted that the 2026 model will show off Siri's brand new AI powers. Analyst Ming Chi Kuo tweeted that a price under $100 is the sweet spot for Apple to take over the smart home. Finally, tech leaker Vadim Yuriev shared that these massive upgrades are Apple's secret way to sneak a real gaming console into your house. So, why else does a TV box need 8 GB of RAM? The answer is Apple Intelligence. This is Apple's massive new AI update, and it is finally taking over your living room. The old 2022 model is just too weak to run it, but the 2026 Apple TV gives you a super smart version of Siri. You can literally ask it to find that one movie with the guy from that funny space show, and it will actually know what you mean. The new brain also uses special upscaling tech to fix your movies. It takes older, blurry shows and makes them look super crisp and clean in 4K. It is basically giving your TV a brand new pair of glasses. Now, let's talk about speed. Nobody likes buffering. If your movie freezes right at the best action scene, it ruins the whole night. Apple is fixing this forever. They are building their own custom network chip to bring Wi-Fi 7 to your TV. Wi-Fi 7 gives you crazy fast gigabit speeds without running a messy internet cable across your floor. It is up to 5 times faster than the older Wi-Fi. Roku and Amazon Fire Stick just don't have this kind of speed. Your 4K HDR movies will load instantly, every single time. On top of that, the Bluetooth 5.3 upgrade means zero lag. When you use your AirPods or wireless controllers, the sound matches the action perfectly. So, when can you actually buy this thing, and how much will it hurt your wallet? The leaks point to a spring 2026 launch, and the best part is the price. Apple wants this box in every single house, so they are aiming for a sweet spot of $99. Remember, the current one costs $129. They are giving you a massive brain upgrade, double the RAM, real console gaming, and insane speeds, and they are charging you less money to get it. That is an absolute steal. So, are you buying the 2026 Apple TV, or are you sticking with a normal gaming console? Let me know down in the comments. Subscribe for more awesome tech leaks, and I will see you in the next video.